Hello, I want to know what's wrong with universal health care. I'm posting a video about the healthcare crisis. I'd like to read you a letter that Blue Cross Blue Shield wrote to me. Dear me, due to your recent birthday, you have moved into a new age and premium category. Please note that the new premium amount and effective date. If you have any questions or maybe assistance to you in any way, please feel free to call. Now, my premium before I got this letter kept going up and kept going up was $1,150 every 2 months. Now, I don't make that much money, and I'm not barely, but I'm able to meet that. But it's like, it's like you cut back here, cut back here, cut back here. My next premium went up to $1,471, $321.10. So that means I've got to save an extra $160.05. $160 and a little more than that. $160, just say that, a month for this health care. Thank you. Is that my birthday present, Blue Cross Blue Shield? I appreciate it. I don't know what to do. I'm going to have to cancel my health insurance. I've tried to switch my policy, but because of existing conditions, I cannot get another policy. They have the same policy for me. They sent me a thing where I could have paid $331 every 2 months. But because it was in a different plan, and the plan that I am is an old plan that I've had for a long time. It's just amazing. It just simply is amazing. I've been so sick about this healthcare thing for the past 5, 6, 7 years, actually probably longer than that, because I've called because I had a $250 deductible. I raised it to $1,000 so it can go down. Then it went down. Then it went back up. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm just like sick, and I'm gonna have to cancel my insurance and just plan to go out without health care. I started going if I needed to go to a doctor and my prescriptions, I gotta pay for them out of my pocket, because you know what? It'd probably be cheaper, and take my chances. And you know what? I'll sit there, and when anything happens, any crisis happens, I'm gonna have to put it on my credit cards. And if something happens, I'll just have to claim bankruptcy, because either way, I'm gonna have to claim bankruptcy. I mean, $1,471 every 2 months. It's ridiculous. That's $8,829.60 every year. I just don't know what to say or do. I was flabbergasted. I stopped at home from my one job to go to my other job, and I got the mail. I checked the mail, and that's the first thing I saw. And it was just like, because of my jobs that I have, do not have my health insurance. So, if anybody has any inclination of what I can do, I'd be greatly appreciated, because I think this is a total ripoff. I think the healthcare system is I want to know how many millions of dollars these CEOs are making off of us. I mean, in drug companies, and you tell me these people who oppose universal health care, why is it so bad? I want to know why. Why is universal health care so bad that you're afraid to have it? That everybody's going to be in the same level? That you're going to have to wait in line just like anybody else, but they have the possibility of getting the same treatment as everybody else? That to me is pretty fair, and I don't give a shit. You know what? I mean, bring on your socialized medicine, because I had friends that lived in Canada and moved here, and they said our system here is so fucked up with our healthcare system, it's ridiculous. They said, yeah, you had to wait in line a little longer, but everybody got health care, and that's the thing. The government paid for it, and it was just like, I don't understand. I'm just so sick of this. I'm so just bonded about it. If anybody has any ideas for me, I please, leave it. I probably won't hear this anyways because of fucking YouTube. Alright, that's it, so.